So we are studying there, okay? So today the topic is flood in Assam. So first of all, do you know what is flood? What is flood? Flood is nothing. See, when every river has got a carrying capacity, okay, and when the water level is beyond its carrying capacity, it starts flowing, okay, it starts flowing along with the channel, or means the water level rises above the channel level, okay, and it flows through the flood plain in the adjoining areas, and that is called flood. Clear? That is called flood. Okay, Arpana, that is called flood. So we are discussing flood in Assam. Why we are discussing flood in Assam? Hope you welcome. Why we are discussing flood in Assam? See, flood in Assam is a very, means you can say, a recurring problem, a historic problem that we have been encountering every year, almost every year. Okay, almost every year, and almost within 2 or 3 years there is a major flood. Clear? And the severity is so, means the issue is so important, or the issue is so severe, that once the chief secretary of Assam, Pipersenia, okay, former chief secretary of Assam, Pipersenia, said that means we are taking one step of development every year, and this flood takes us back, pulls us back two a step backward. Okay, so we are taking one step in the for development, and this flood pushes us two steps backward. Okay, so that's why we are discussing flood, because flood is a major or recurring problem, or that has been pulling us backward. That is one of the reason for the underdevelopment of our state. Okay, that is one of the reason for underdevelopment of our state. So now before so so bef- now we will see, means why flood takes place in our state, why so much flood takes place in our state. So first and foremost reason is also related to geography. Okay, see, the catchment area of Brahmaputra river, means we will focus our discussion, we will focus our discussion of to the Brahmaputra valley only. We will not go beyond in Barak valley, we will not go there, we will focus just Brahmaputra valley, because that is the major part. Clear? That is the major part, so we will discuss there. So we will see why flood takes place in Assam. We are looking at this question. So first of all, see, the Brahmaputra river, okay, the river Brahmaputra has a large catchment area. Catchment area মানে বৰষুণ যি এৰিয়াৰ পৰা কালেক্ট হয় সেইটো বহুত ডাঙৰ আছে, ঠিক আছে, অলমোষ্ট এন্টায়াৰ আসাম প্লাছ large part of Arunachal Pradesh, okay, then larger part of Nagaland. নাগালেণ্ডৰ মানে আপোনাৰ নাগালেণ্ডৰ পানী যিমান বৰষুণ নাগালেণ্ডৰ হয়, means almost the precipitation takes place in Nagaland, precipitation takes place in Arunachal Pradesh, and the rainfall that takes place in Bhutan, okay, also comes down in the Brahmaputra valley. ঠিক আছে, এতিয়া সবতকৈ ডাঙৰ কথা যি হ'ল আমাৰ ফ্লাড কিয় হয়, কিয় কাৰণে Brahmaputra river catchment area is very large. Number one thing to understand. Clear? Second thing, why flood takes place? Second thing is that means there is a concentrated rainfall. Okay, concentrated. মানে our rainfall here, so it is not evenly distributed. ঠিক আছে, throughout the year evenly distribution নহয়. ঠিক আছে, already I have discussed in climatology that more than 65% of the rainfall takes place during monsoon season. ঠিক আছে, 65% of the rainfall takes place in the monsoon region. ঠিক আছে, তাতকে আৰু almost 20% of the rainfall takes place in pre-monsoon season. ঠিক আছে, তে আমি চাওঁ যে from May till September there is a very concentrated heavy rainfall. Okay, very concentrated and heavy rainfall, and throughout the year if we see the entire mist in Brahmaputra valley, there is a rainfall of average annual rainfall is nearly 246 cm, this is very high. Okay, this is very high by all indicators. Okay, so 240 cm average annual rainfall. So second region is very high rainfall. Clear? Number one is large catchment area. Second is very high rainfall and within a concentrated period between May to September. Clear? Now, third reason for flood. What is the third reason? The third reason is that, see, this geographical area is young in its formation. Okay, this geographical area is young in formation. Since it is young, it is fragile and very weak. Since it is young, that's why it is very fragile and very weak. और fragile और weak होले की होबो बरखुन दिले डांगर जुदी बरखुन दिए और river जेटिया पानी तो बाढ़िबो ताते erosion बेसी होबो. ठीक আছে, erosion to बेसी होबो. It will erode the upper top layer and the bank. Okay, and this erosion will bring lots of sedimentary loads. Lots of sedimentary load. Sedimentary load ani bote ki hobo? Those sedimentary load will get deposited in on the bed of the river. ठीक है से to bed or sedimentary load to deposit हो जाबो. क्या sedimentary load to deposit हो जाले की होबो? धोई लो कि average depth say 30 meter is near the is about the depth of the channel of river Brahmaputra. But what will happen because of sedimentary deposit on the bed? This depth is filled up, and somewhere it becomes 20 meter. At some places it becomes only 15 meter. So if depth is less, what will happen? The carrying capacity of water carrying capacity of the river will come down. The water carrying capacity ja kami jabo, ja heavy flood, ja heavy borkhun ahibo, when there is a rush of water, then it won't be able to carry them and the water will spill over to its adjoining areas and that will create flood. Mujhe paise hai na? Dekram, welcome. That will create flood. Clear? So these are the regions. Apart from this, in the places like Guwahati or metro cities, there is a flash flood. Okay, flash flood are because of man-made barriers or because of man-made causes. Clear? Flash flood has been occurring because of man-made causes. For example, in Guwahati, you will see the most of the streams or rivers had been colonized, had been used for developmental purpose, and or had been reduced to a small nalas kobo paru ami horu nala to convert hoy goise. Etia ki hol, apart from this various bills, you know, so swampy lands, okay, that those had been recovered for building purpose or other constructive or developmental purpose. So these bills, small rivers, ponds used to act as a natural mechanism that used to act as a natural mechanism used to prevent flood. Okay, in the metro cities or every place. Okay, these bills and water bodies, because those water bodies, whenever there is a excessive rainfall, those water excess water gets deposited or gets reserved in those bills and other water bodies. But if you recover those water bodies, what will happen when the excessive flood will come or excessive water will come? There will be no place for its deposition or for its storage. Okay, and then flood will take place. So in Guwahati mainly or metro places, or if we can say also of Dibrugarh also, we can say that mainly because of man-made reasons, or that we have recovered the water bodies, we have reduced the small streams to nalas, so that water can escape. There is no space for water to drain out. Drainage has been blocked. Okay, drainage has been blocked. Those are the reasons for flash flood. Okay, in metro cities. Okay, so now even if flood is taking place, so why we are discussing flood? Because flood causes very huge destruction. Okay, every year. For for example, in the latest major flood was in 2017, and in 2017, as per government estimate, it was found that nearly means 4,500 crore loss was there to the state exchequer. Okay, 4,500 crore loss was there to the state exchequer. Okay, in 2014 flood. So apart from financial loss, there is also loss of infrastructure. Okay, large number of infrastructures are damaged. For example, you all know that highways are washed away, means roads get filled with potholes. Okay, those are damaged roads. They no longer remain to be in a means proper proper position to be used. Apart from this, the schools, various primary and preliminary schools get washed away, and apart from this, various primary healthcare centers or utility services infrastructure gets damaged. For example, if you see, the water supply mechanism system gets damaged, various electric poles gets damaged. Okay, so there is a large destruction. Okay, into এইটো হৈ গ'ল এটা financial loss. ইয়াতকৈ ডাঙৰ loss যি হয় এইটো loss of lives. Okay, loss of lives. In every major flood we will find that more than 100 people dies in Assam. In every major flood we will find that more than 100 people dies. Okay, মানে 120 130 140 এনেকুৱা মেজৰ ফ্লাড আহিলে মানে মানুহ মৰিয়ে যায় normally. Okay, apart from this loss of human life, we also find that there is a great loss of animals. Okay, for example, in 2017 there were around 300 animals who died. In 2012 flood, which was one of the more recent major flood, means nearly 1,000 animals died, and those animals are not just small animals, but it also includes rhinoceros, elephants, and tigers also. So there is a great loss of animals also, not only means just loss of vegetation. Okay, মানে vegetation যেনেকৈ গছ গছনি বা সৰু বস্তু wash away নহয়, সেইটোও loss হয়. Apart from this, flood causes major damage to the weaker section. Weaker section, when I say weaker section, means it impacts more to the farmers community. ঠিক আছে, farmers community সবতকে বেছি help কৰে. ঠিক আছে, তো মানে কি হয়, flood আহিলে কিমান এগ্ৰিকালচাৰ ক্ৰপ যদি মানে যি লগাই ৰাখা থাকে সেইটো পুৰা ড্যামেজ হৈ যায় or even get washed away. Okay, so there is a great damage and there is a great negative impact of flood on these farmers. Okay, apart from this, সেইটোতো wash away হৈয়ে যায়, তাৰপিছত কেতিয়াবা কি হয়, flood brings lots of sediment load with that, and those sediment loads are deposited on the farmland. ঠিক আছে, ফার্মল্যান্ডের উপর একটা লেয়ার অ্যারাউন্ড 1 feet 2 feet একটা লেয়ার সেডিমেন্টারি লেয়ার ডিপোজিট হয়ে যায়. যদি সেডিমেন্টারি লেয়ার টু অ্যাবভ 1 feet যদি হয়ে যায়, দোজ ল্যান্ড বিকাম নন এগ্রিয়েবল. ওকে, দ্যাট ক্যানট বি কাল্টিভেটেড. যদি 1 ফিটৰ ওপৰত হৈ যাব তেতিয়া তাতে কাল্টিভেশ্যন কৰাৰ টান হৈ যাব, এণ্ড ইট উইল ৰিমেইন ব্যাৰেন অৰ ইট উইল বিকাম আ ফেলো ল্যান্ড ফৰ লংগাৰ পিৰিয়ড. ঠিক আছে, অৰ ডিগ্ৰেডেড ল্যান্ড ফৰ লংগাৰ পিৰিয়ড. সেনেকুৱা farmer loss হয়. Apart from this, during flood we have also seen that means farmers also lost their domestic animals, domestic animals. আৰু যি তেওঁলোকৰ সৰু সৰু প্ৰপাৰ্টি থাকে সেইকেইটাও মানে এৰি হৈ যায়, লছ হৈ যায়. তাৰপিছত আমি এইটোও দেখা পাইছোঁ, ফ্লাড হ'লে কি হয়, মোষ্টলি দি উইকাৰ ছেকশ্যন অলছ' গেট ডিছপ্লেচড. আপুনি চাব যেতিয়া ফ্লাড হ'ব, এৰাউণ্ড lakhs of peoples are required to be sheltered in rehabilitation center or rescue center. ঠিক আছে, যেতিয়া মেজৰ ফ্লাড আহে বহুত মানুহ যি ফ্লাড বেংকৰ ওচৰত থাকে তেওঁলোকৰ মানে ফ্লাডিং কাৰণে মানে তেওঁলোকৰ ঘৰত থাকিব নোৱাৰে বা ঘৰটো wash away হৈ যায়, that they have to be relocated, or some you will also find in media report that they are taking shelter on the highways. ঠিক আছে, এতিয়া এইটোও বহুত ডাঙৰ এটা প্ৰব্লেম আহে. ঠিক আছে, এতিয়া ফ্লাডৰ কাৰণে এইকেইটা প্ৰব্লেম. কিন্তু ফ্লাড যদি আমি কওঁ, ফ্লাড ইজ নট জাষ্ট অনলি প্ৰব্লেম, ইট ইজ আ নেচাৰেল মেকানিজম which also has got many beneficial effects. Okay, or it has many benefits to the nature or to the ecosystem itself. For example, flood. Okay, যেতিয়া flood আহে it increases the utility or it increases the fertility of the soil, because it also carries lots of nutrients, organic contents. okay, which are deposited on the farmland and it increases its fertility ঠিক আছে বুঝি পাইছেন না এইটো হল তাৰপিছত flood also increases the productivity, biological productivity of the area. That's why we will find that in Assam inland fisheries are very developed. Okay, আমাৰ যে লোকেল মাছ যিকেইটা হয় এইটো বহুত বেছি আছে আপুনি যদি মৰিগাঁৱত যাব আপুনি যদি বৰপেটাত যাব আপুনি যদি ধুবুৰীত যাব আপুনি চাব ফিচিং এটা অকুপেশ্যন আছে ইনফেক্ট in Assam there is a fishing community called Kaivarta community, missing community, they fishing or upore depend hoye ase thik ase tia hetu so only this is the benefit. Apart from this apne janibo ki flood or karone amar vegetation amar forest resources bahut beshi ase gom paise na je flood no hole hote amar forest resources iman beshi no hole there wouldn't have been Kaziranga, there wouldn't have been Manas. Okay, এতিয়া কিয় কাৰণে যদি চাওঁ আমি যদি কাজিৰঙাৰ আপুনি ইক'চিষ্টেম যদি দেখা চাব ভালকৈ যদি অবজাৰ্ভ কৰিব যে যদি ফ্লাড নহ'ব তাতে বহুত ফ্ল'ৰা এণ্ড ফাউনা উইল নট ফাইণ্ড সাষ্টেইন দেয়াৰ ফৰ এক্সাম্পল ৰাইন'চৰাছ উইচ ইজ দি আইকন অৰ উইচ ইজ দি মষ্ট ফেমাছ এনিমেল অৰ অফ আৱাৰ ষ্টেট ইফ দে উইল নট গেট ৱেটলেণ্ড if there is no wetland they will not survive because for their survival wetland is required where elephant grasses grows. Okay, and it is also important for the elephants also. You know elephant requires very huge quantity of water, they drink every day very huge quantity of water ঠিক আছে ya flood নহব তেতিয়া কি হ'ব water availability নহব তেতিয়া হেটো দিগদাৰ হ'ব তেতিয়া হেনেকুৱা নহয় যে flood is only negative in all these senses. Flood has also got its merit. Okay, so these are the few merits. Apart from this various other merits has been means if you go through the book in page number 148 there are large number of merits are also given there. Okay, benefits of flood. Okay, benefits, what are the benefits of floods, these are also given here. Okay, so these are more than sufficient whatever is written here. Okay, for example like groundwater recharge, you know means entire India is suffering from means scarcity of water or water table is going down. Water table apna mane pani to aru tolor mane tolor pora poa goi ase water table to komi goi ase tolor fale goi ase this flood acts as a natural recharger. Okay, recharge kori die mane water table to olop apo upor ani die thik ase ekita benefit ase tarpiso etia sam ami আমাৰ গভৰ্ণমেণ্ট কি কৰি আছে এইটো ফ্লডৰ কাৰণে কি বেনিফিটটো আছে গম পালোঁ কিন্তু ইয়াৰ যি ডিমেৰিটছ আছে হাৰ্মফুল ইম্পেক্টছ আছে দিছ ইজ ভেৰি হাই. অ'কে, for example we cannot compensate for the loss of life, human life, animal life, okay, or the destruction it brings. Okay, so what government is doing, government has taken various steps. In fact there was a national policy for flood management. Okay, and after the independence government mainly focused on